Immunity-boosting foods. Good nutrition is essential to a strong immune system, which may offer protection from seasonal illness and other health problems. And there are certain foods that must be consumed regularly to build immunity, says clinical nutritionist and dietitian, certified diabetic educator, Razia Ali. The immune system, which is integrated into all our physiological systems, protects the body against infections and other external and internal threats by utilizing three distinct layers, depending on the nature of the threat: physical, e.g., skin, epithelial lining of the gastrointestinal and respiratory tracts, and biochemical barriers, e.g., secretions, mucus, and gastric acid, numerous different immune cells, e.g., granulocytes, CD4 or CD8 T and B cells, and antibodies, i.e., immunoglobulins. The first line of defense is innate immunity, which combines physical and biochemical barriers with a non-specific, leukocyte-mediated cellular response to defend against pathogens. If the pathogen manages to avoid these innate defenses, a more complex, adaptive, antigen-specific response is triggered, mediated by T and B lymphocytes, which produces antibodies to target and destroy the pathogen. Both systems protect against native cells that may be harmful, such as cancerous or precancerous cells. As humans age, the immune system evolves from the immature and developing immune responses in infants and children, to immune function that is potentially optimal in adolescents and young adults, followed by a gradual decline in immunity, particularly adaptive processes, in older people. Age-related changes are compounded by certain lifestyle factors, e.g., diet, environmental factors, and oxidative stress, specific to each life stage, that can influence and modify, in some cases suppressing immune function. Accordingly, the risk and severity of infections such as the common cold and influenza, the most common illnesses in humans, pneumonia, and diarrheal infections, also vary over a lifetime. Optimal immune function is dependent on a healthy immune system. In turn, adequate nutrition is crucial to ensure a good supply of the energy sources. Macronutrients and micronutrients are required for the development, maintenance, and expression of the immune response. Micronutrients have vital roles throughout the immune system, that are independent of the life stage, and it has been determined that those most needed to sustain immunocompetence include vitamins A, C, D, E, B2, B6 and B12, folic acid, beta-carotene, iron, selenium, and zinc. The immune response is compromised when nutrition is poor, predisposing individuals to infections, and a poor nutritional state may be exacerbated by the response of the immune system itself to an infection. It is clear that optimal immunocompetence depends upon nutritional status. It is also recognized that micronutrient deficiencies and suboptimal intakes are common worldwide, and certain micronutrients may be more likely to be insufficient at different stages of life. This can affect the risk and severity of infection, and in fact, an individual's nutritional status can predict the clinical course and outcome of certain infections such as diarrhea, pneumonia, and measles. Response to infection. The nature of the response of the immune system to a pathogen is initially dependent on whether the innate immune defenses can eliminate the infectious organism. If not, previous experience with the pathogen will determine how rapidly T and B cells in the adaptive immune system are able to mount a defense against it, supported by the innate immune system. Micronutrient requirements. The development, maintenance and optional functioning of immune cells is dependent on adequate nutrition, evident at all stages of life. Certain micronutrients play key immunomodulatory roles. Immune defenses can be impaired by malnutrition, which increases susceptibility to infection. In turn, infection can cause a significant increase in the demand for micronutrients, met by endogenous or exogenous, i.e., The diet, supplies. An apple a day can keep the doctor away, may have truth behind it after all. Good nutrition is essential to a strong immune system, which may offer protection from seasonal illness and other health problems. No one food or supplement can prevent illness, but you may help support your immune system by including these nutrients in your overall eating plan on a regular basis. Protein plays a role in the body's immune system, especially for healing and recovery. Eat a variety of protein-rich foods including seafood, lean meat, poultry, eggs, beans and peas, soy products, and unsalted nuts and seeds. Vitamin C is one of the biggest immune system boosters of all. In fact, a lack of vitamin C can even make you more prone to getting sick. Daily intake of vitamin C is essential for good health because your body doesn't produce or store it. It supports the immune system by stimulating the formation of antibodies. Foods rich in vitamin C include spinach, kale and broccoli, and citrus fruits such as oranges, grapefruit and tangerines, or red bell pepper, papaya, strawberries, tomato juice, or foods fortified with vitamin C, such as some cereals. Vitamin A helps regulate the immune system and protect against infections by keeping skin and tissues in the mouth, stomach, intestines and respiratory system healthy. Get this vitamin from foods such as sweet potatoes, carrots, broccoli, spinach, red bell peppers, apricots, eggs, or foods labeled vitamin A fortified, such as milk or some cereals. Vitamin E works as an antioxidant and may support immune function. It is a powerful antioxidant that helps the body fight off infection. Foods rich in vitamin E include nuts, seeds and spinach. Include vitamin E in your diet with fortified cereals, sunflower seeds, almonds, vegetable oils, such as sunflower or safflower oil, hazelnuts, and peanut butter. Vitamin B6 is vital to supporting biochemical reactions in the immune system. Vitamin B6-rich foods include chicken and cold water fish such as salmon and tuna. Vitamin B6 also is found in green vegetables and in chickpeas, which is the main ingredient in hummus. Zinc helps the immune system work properly and may help wounds heal. Zinc can be found in lean meat, poultry, seafood, milk, whole grain products, beans, seeds and nuts. Other nutrients including vitamin B6, B12, copper, folate, selenium and iron also support immune response.